Okay, so I tried just taking a video of my screen, but I could not get the software working, so I'm just going to take one with my phone instead. So this is the elevator circuit. Basically made this the same way we made the traffic light, so bunch of finite state machines and use that to work out the logic. All that stuff is in the report. So yeah, you can see you have the four registers there, and the way I like recorded what floor that you're on was basically just using the output states, like the states in the state machine were the floors. So you have 3, 2, 1, 0, or S3, S2, S1, and S0, where S3 is, if you like look at it in binary, if all of them are 1, you're on floor 15. If S3 is 1, you're going to be on the 8th floor. If S2, S1, and S0 are all 0, and so on, just kind of counting in binary. So over here, kind of hard to see, but that is a comparator. So the states S3, S2, S1, S0, I run them up here and put them in a splitter so they become just like a bus of 4 bits, and then they can be compared to another bus of four bits, and that lets us compare the desired floor to the one that you're currently on. And what this circuit is saying is that when your current floor is below the desired floor, you go up to get there, and the other way around too. So if you are above the desired floor, you will go down to get there, and if you're on the floor, you should just stay there. So I'm going to run through a few examples. Right now, we are on floor 0, and I'm just going to change the input so this wants to go to 15. It's also kind of hard to see, but I just have those constants set up and I change them based on what floor we're trying to get to. So you can kind of see that working. Oops. Yeah, so it's counting up by 1. And now it gets to 15 and it stops. It wouldn't have to go to 15. So let's say going down, we only want to go to floor, let's say 7. So I'm going to set this to 0. And now it's going to count down by 1 until hopefully the states read out 7 in binary. So that would be S3 is 0 and all the other states are 1. So right now, and yeah, it stops, and you can see the comparator it now reads equal instead of greater than or less than, although that is almost impossible to see, but hopefully you can see the green in the middle there. That is from the equal sign of the comparator. So yeah, I think that is all I have for you all, so thank you. Talk to you later.